That refresh your recollection?
I still don't remember the conversation, no.
Okay. You're a smart guy, right?
I'm not going to stroke my own ego here, but sure.
Okay. You, in some of the interviews, said to agents that you had your college paid for because your ACT scores were so high, right?
Yes.
How high were they?
Sustained.
Is there anything wrong with your memory, organically?
No.
You don't have any illness?
I've had multiple concussions.
Okay. Is that affecting your memory, do you think?
I don't know. No.
Okay. Has any doctor diagnosed you with any reason that you can't recall things?
No.
Okay. Do you recall the Snapchat message conversation with Jordan Lamb where you told her you wanted to get with her?
No, I do not.
You don't recall saying to Jordan Lamb that if you do get together with her, that you had to be quiet because you weren't going to jail because she was under 18?
I'm going to object. There's no time frame that's put on this that's not relevant at this point.
I will sustain that, Mr. Freeze, and again, we need some more context to go forward.
In March of, or April of 2018, you don't recall having a Snapchat conversation with Jordan Lamb wherein you said,
I'm not objecting him reading it into the record. It's hearsay. If he wants to refresh his memory or ask me if he had a conversation with her, that's fine, but reading it into the record in front of the jury is improper.
first of all, Your Honor, I'm not reading anything into a jury. I'm asking a question.
With that, then, I mean, Mr. Brown's point is well taken, but I did not think or see that you were reading, so with that, you may proceed.
Do you recall a text message conversation where you sent, actually a Snapchat conversation, where you sent a message to the effect of, you weren't going to jail if you and Jordan got back together because she was under 18 and her parents hated you?
I still do not recall that, no.
Okay. You would agree with me that those records exist, they speak for themselves?
Yes.
Okay. And if the record exists, that would be a more accurate recitation than your memory?
Yes.
Do you ever tell anybody you black out when you get angry?
Objections is asked and answered prior to the break.
Overruled.
I'm sorry, can you repeat the question?
Have you ever told anyone at any time on this planet that you black out when you get angry?
I don't recall.
Okay. If there's a record that says that, would you agree with me that that record is more accurate than your recollection?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay.
Always correct.
You may have answered this before, and if you do, I do apologize. Ulysses Felix, you knew him, right?
Yes.
Agents, when they were questioning you, asked you about a $200 cash withdrawal Molly took out the night before she disappeared. Do you recall that?
Don't recall this.
It's irrelevant.
Overruled.
Do you recall that?
I do not recall that.
Do you recall Molly purchasing a mattress within a couple days before she disappeared?
Object irrelevance.
Overruled.
No, I don't.
You don't recall giving Molly the information for the mattress guy in Grinnell a couple days before she disappeared?
No, I don't.
You don't recall Shane Slaymaker giving you the information for the mattress guy so Molly could buy a mattress?
No, I do not.
And again, if there's records on that, those would be more accurate than your recollection.
Absolutely, yes.
Do you recall telling agents that you thought the $200 was for your golf tournament that Molly would have put up the greens fees for?
I also do not recall that, no.
But you recall you were in Dubuque on that night, right?
Yes.
Clear as a bell.
Yes.
But were you drunk?
I don't recall that either, but I would imagine that I was drinking, yes, sir.
Okay. That's all I